In this video, we're going to focus on the array reverse method in Chart.js. So this is a part of the Chart.js array series. And with the reverse method in JavaScript, you can reverse basically the values that you have in different order. So it's not in alphabetic order, but just in the reverse order in whatever the array has been set. So let's start and explore how we can do this. So for example, here we have the from, we have the push, we have all of these options here. And what we would like to do is start to reverse everything what we have. So we say here the labels, they say dot reverse. Or what we could do is maybe make it a function. It would be even more fun. Where we reverse the moment we click on a specific button. So we say here, and then we say reverse value, and we say reverse. Alright, and then I will just remove this for now and basically create a reverse value function. So we create here a function at the bottom, and then we say the function will be called reverse value. And when we click on it, basically we can almost copy everything here, paste it in here, and then we just say here reverse. So the moment we reverse this, you will see that everything reverse, because we're going to make sure that the reverse matches including the data. Because what happens if you only do the labels, you will see that it will only reverse the labels but not the value. So if I press here on reverse, you can see red moves here, yellow moves there. However, nothing else is going into reverse mode. So we have to save this with everything, every item here in reverse. I refresh here and we press reverse. You can see now what happens, and even the line here starts to adjust, because now the yellow line is here, the very first one, which becomes the default border line. If I would adjust this to a bar, you will see that this will not matter anymore, because then it will just go to the original version. Alright, and then we click on reverse, which just does like this. And then we press again, there you are. Basically only this part here adjusts. However, that doesn't matter so much. And this is the way how you can use reverse in Chart.js. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy it. And if you enjoy this video, you probably will enjoy this one as well. And if you're interested in Chart.js, check out in the description box the link directing to my Chart.js course, where you can learn everything about Chart.js. And finally, of course, make sure you subscribe to my channel.